Imagine a drone so small yet so advanced that it can slip past radar, gather intelligence, and deliver precision strikes, all from a single capsule. Israel's new Capsule-Drone technology is redefining modern warfare, and what you're about to see could change military operations forever. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most advanced military technologies shaping the future. Today, we're diving into Israel's latest breakthrough, advanced Capsule-Drone technology. These drones are not just another addition to Israel's arsenal. They represent a fundamental shift in unmanned warfare. Unlike conventional drones, these capsules are incredibly compact, stealthy, and highly versatile. They can perform reconnaissance missions, gather intelligence, and even deliver precision payloads with minimal detection risk. Israel has a long history of pioneering defense innovations, and these drones demonstrate how far the country has pushed the limits of technology. What makes them stand out is their combination of stealth, maneuverability, and modular payload capacity. They can operate in complex environments such as dense urban areas, mountainous terrain, or hostile airspace without alerting adversaries. Over the next sections, we'll explore the capsule's design, deployment strategies, intelligence capabilities, and potential military applications. Whether you're fascinated by drones, AI-driven warfare, or next-generation military tech, this video will give you an in-depth look at a system that could change the balance of power on the battlefield. At the heart of this innovation is the drone's capsule design. Unlike traditional drones with exposed rotors or wings, the capsule is compact, aerodynamic, and optimized for stealth. Its smooth, low observable surface is designed to minimize radar and infrared signatures, allowing it to slip past detection systems undetected. This makes it an ideal tool for intelligence missions in highly monitored areas. The capsule also features advanced propulsion systems that allow it to hover silently, navigate tight spaces, and maintain stable flight in challenging weather conditions. Its flight software is AI-powered, enabling autonomous decision-making for navigation, obstacle avoidance, and mission completion. The aerodynamic design reduces drag, improving energy efficiency and allowing longer operational endurance compared to conventional drones. Despite its small size, the capsule's internal systems are highly sophisticated, combining miniaturized sensors, communications equipment, and processing units in a single compact package. This careful engineering ensures that the drone is both stealthy and functional. For military planners, these attributes offer unprecedented flexibility. The same drone can be used for reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, or even tactical support missions, depending on the operation. The capsule design is a perfect blend of efficiency, stealth, and versatility. One of the most remarkable features of Israel's capsule drones is their modular payload system. The capsule can carry a variety of payloads depending on mission requirements, including high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, electronic warfare devices, or miniature precision munitions. This modularity allows a single drone to switch roles quickly, transforming from a surveillance unit into an active tactical asset. For intelligence gathering, the cameras and sensors provide real-time video and thermal imaging, even in total darkness. This capability is critical for monitoring adversaries, protecting borders, or conducting urban reconnaissance missions. The electronic warfare payloads can jam enemy communications, disrupt radar signals, or act as decoys to confuse defenses. Precision munitions, on the other hand, allow targeted strikes with minimal collateral damage, making the drone effective even in complex environments. Operators can customize the payload before deployment, providing maximum flexibility for evolving mission scenarios. This adaptability ensures that militaries can respond to dynamic situations with a single versatile platform. Additionally, the capsule's internal AI optimizes payload performance, adjusting sensor sensitivity or targeting precision as conditions change. This combination of modularity, automation, and intelligence makes the Capsule-Drone a uniquely powerful tool in modern warfare. Intelligence gathering is one of the Capsule-Drone's primary strengths. Equipped with advanced optical and infrared sensors, it can monitor targets continuously day and night. Urban surveillance, border patrol, and early warning missions are all enhanced by its small size and stealth design. The drones can transmit high-definition imagery and telemetry data back to command centers in real time, providing decision makers with actionable information faster than traditional reconnaissance methods. AI algorithms on board can analyze visual and thermal data autonomously, flagging potential threats, tracking movement, or identifying patterns that would take human analysts hours to detect. This reduces operational risks while increasing mission efficiency. Furthermore, the Capsule-Drone can integrate with other systems such as radar networks or satellite feeds, creating a comprehensive situational awareness network. Multiple drones can be deployed in coordinated formations, covering larger areas while sharing data seamlessly. This ability to act both independently and as part of a network system significantly enhances battlefield intelligence capabilities. By combining stealth, precision sensors, and AI-driven analytics, the Capsule-Drone becomes an indispensable tool for modern military operations, giving forces an unprecedented edge in both strategic planning and real-time tactical decisions. Deployment versatility is another key advantage. These drones can be launched from multiple platforms, aircraft, vehicles, or even handheld catapults in specific scenarios. Their small size allows discrete deployment in areas where larger drones or manned aircraft would be impractical or easily detected. Once deployed, the capsule unfolds its flight mechanisms and begins executing the mission autonomously. This capability ensures that forces can respond quickly to emerging threats without exposing personnel or expensive equipment. In addition, the drones are capable of navigating complex environments autonomously, including urban areas with high-rise buildings, forests, or narrow mountain passes. This makes them suitable for both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. Their silent operation allows them to gather intelligence or conduct targeted operations without alerting the enemy, reducing the risk of countermeasures or interception. Furthermore, their compact size makes them easy to store and transport, allowing militaries to deploy multiple units rapidly in coordinated missions. This flexibility, combined with advanced sensors and payload options, makes the Capsule-Drone a highly versatile tool for modern operations, capable of adapting to a wide variety of tactical requirements. Connectivity and communication are vital for Capsule-Drone operations. These drones maintain secure encrypted links with command centers, allowing real-time transmission of intelligence, sensor data, and operational status. This networked capability also enables coordination between multiple drones, forming an integrated swarm capable of covering vast areas efficiently. Swarm operations allow drones to share data autonomously, divide surveillance responsibilities, and respond dynamically to changing battlefield conditions. Such coordination reduces human workload while maximizing coverage and situational awareness. Encrypted communication ensures that sensitive information remains protected from interception or cyber attacks, a critical requirement for modern military operations. The drone's AI systems can analyze incoming data, autonomously adjusting flight paths, mission priorities, or sensor focus to maximize operational efficiency. For example, if one drone detects suspicious activity, nearby drones can automatically adjust their routes to investigate, creating a collaborative intelligence network. This combination of connectivity, encryption, and autonomous coordination enables faster, smarter, and more effective decision-making in complex scenarios. It also demonstrates how capsule drones are not just isolated units, but integral components of a broader battlefield management system. In terms of defense applications, capsule drones enhance air and missile defense capabilities. They can act as forward observers, monitoring incoming threats and transmitting early warning alerts to command centers. Their small size and stealth characteristics make them difficult to detect or intercept, providing an additional layer of protection for high-value assets. Additionally, they can serve as decoys, drawing enemy attention away from critical targets or confusing radar systems. Deploying these drones along borders or sensitive installations increases situational awareness and strengthens defensive operations without exposing personnel to risk. The intelligence they gather helps commanders make informed decisions quickly, potentially neutralizing threats before they escalate. Capsule drones can also integrate with other defense systems, such as missile interceptors or radar arrays, creating a layered and automated response network. By providing both surveillance and operational support, these drones significantly enhance the effectiveness and responsiveness of defense infrastructure. Their ability to operate autonomously or as part of a network ensures continuous protection and situational awareness, even in contested or heavily monitored areas. This makes them a force multiplier in modern defensive strategies. Offensively, capsule drones are equally impressive. Some variants are equipped to carry small precision munitions capable of striking high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. This makes them ideal for targeted operations in urban environments where traditional airstrikes or artillery may be impractical or dangerous. Swarms of drones can be deployed simultaneously, each performing a coordinated mission that maximizes impact while minimizing exposure. Their stealth and small size allow them to approach targets undetected, delivering payloads with accuracy that exceeds conventional methods. AI systems on board can dynamically adjust targeting in real time, responding to movement or changing conditions. This reduces the need for human intervention and increases the speed of execution. Additionally, the drone's modular payloads allow forces to mix surveillance and offensive capabilities, meaning the same swarm can gather intelligence while preparing for immediate action. This integration of surveillance, targeting, and autonomous operation makes capsule drones a uniquely powerful offensive tool capable of redefining tactical approaches in modern warfare. The strategic implications of Israel's capsule drone technology extend far beyond individual missions. Militaries around the world are closely monitoring these drones because they represent a paradigm shift in unmanned systems. With their combination of stealth, modular payloads, autonomous operations, and real-time data connectivity, these drones redefine how intelligence and precision operations are conducted. They reduce operational risk for personnel, increase battlefield efficiency, and enable missions that were previously impossible due to environmental or enemy constraints. Furthermore, the technology can scale from single-unit reconnaissance missions to coordinated swarm operations covering hundreds of square kilometers. This flexibility allows military planners to adapt quickly to changing conditions and maintain a decisive advantage over adversaries. In addition, integrating capsule drones with AI-driven command systems allows for automated decision-making, faster response times, and more effective use of resources. The implications for both defensive and offensive strategies are profound, positioning Israel at the forefront of modern drone warfare. As nations invest in similar technologies, the capsule drone may soon become a standard in advanced military operations worldwide. Looking ahead, the potential of capsule drones is virtually limitless. Beyond military applications, this technology could influence border security, disaster response, search and rescue operations, and infrastructure monitoring. Their stealth, modularity, and AI-driven autonomy make them adaptable to a wide range of scenarios beyond combat. Israel's innovations in this area demonstrate how miniaturization, artificial intelligence, and engineering ingenuity can create entirely new classes of unmanned systems. As technology advances, future iterations may be even smaller, smarter, and more capable, integrating swarm intelligence, enhanced sensor systems, and improved endurance. For now, these capsule drones represent a glimpse into the future of warfare, where intelligence, precision, and stealth are combined in a single, versatile platform. Militaries adopting such systems will have a significant strategic advantage, with capabilities far beyond conventional drones or manned aircraft. Israel's capsule drone technology is not just a military innovation, it's a technological leap that could redefine operational thinking across the globe. If you found this breakdown fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge military technology. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest innovations shaping the future of defense.